Hi, everyone. I'm Don Taylor, and tonight my guest is Jim Hewson. Jim, when did you first decide to become a broadcaster?
Don, don't you think we should just be focusing on the game?
All right. We'll have to reschedule the interview.
Marlowe. Lemieux scoops up the loose puck. Schaefer now with it. Yager shoots it! Stone cold by Kiprusov. Marlowe dropped his stick quickly and is grimacing in pain.
Might be his wrist. There he goes down the tunnel. He might be out for the night.
We'll just have to wait and see. Nolan is going off for interference.
The referee is sending him off despite a complete lack of DNA evidence.
San Jose will try to work off a little time here.
This is where they can be really exposed by an odd man rush.
Kiprusov hangs on for the whistle. San Jose has a player down on the ice.
They're holding their breath. He's all right.
Suter will head off to the dressing room.
There's no way to tell how serious it is, Jim, but there's a good chance we could still see him back in the game.
San Jose. Graves scores! Detroit was going to make a last stand, but it's the first period.
Maybe they'll make their first stand in the last period.
Number 7, Brad Stewart.
Westland gets hold of the puck. Lidstrom takes it. Sloan blocked, fires it. Play ends as the puck is shot into the crowd. Lemieux wins the draw. The Red Wings go outside. Yzerman won the faceoff. Offside, Detroit. Yzerman wins the draw. Shoots the puck. Lumet gets in the way. Shoots! Scores!
He took the high road. What a classy guy.
And they bounce right back into this game.
It's almost as if their skates are made of rubber.
Nolan put it between his legs.
Nice trick, Ace.
Chelios takes possession of the puck.
Number 24.
Yzerman.
Chelios.
It's one-on-one. Scores! It just crossed the line, but it counts. That goal looked great to me, Don.
That goal looked great to everybody, Jim.
They take a one-goal lead.
One goal doesn't a game make. But you never know. They could hold on to that lead till the end.
Yager, one time. Schaefer jumps on the loose puck. A delayed penalty call against Graves. Schaefer misses the net. Yager scoops up the loose puck. Lemieux shoots it quickly. Graves has been nailed for cross-checking.
Let me try and read his mind. I need to find a new color guy. Weird. That couldn't have been him. I wonder whose mind I was reading.
Scores! It's a short-handed marker.
Looks like the team that's playing short-handed gets to stand tall. Okay, bad Jim.
With the score all even, they need to re-establish control.
True, Jim. Who's setting the tempo and who's simply following?
San Jose gets called on a two-line pass. Hannon takes control of the puck. San Jose killed the penalty, and we've returned to 5-on-5 hockey. Hannon jumps on the loose puck. Nolan. It's one-on-one. He was brought down, and we have a penalty shot.
No, Jim, they have a penalty shot.
Are you trying to bug me?
No, that's just a happy side effect.
Nolan against number 31, Curtis Joseph.
Nolan shoots, and the goalie's all over it. Murphy shoots the puck. Saved by Joseph.
One man's obsession, keeping pucks out of the net.
Nylander fires. He scores. That will put them ahead by one.
But with this much time left, and since we're still in the first, they need to settle in and play a consistently solid game.
Nylander assisted by
Nolan takes possession of the puck. Shoots! Joseph slams the door shut. Joseph gets the blocker on it.
The word precision is not often used to describe clunky equipment, but I'm using it here.
Schaefer. Yager shoots the puck. Scores!
They should switch their goalie or something.
Or something?
Or something.
And they've taken control of this game.
If the second period is even better than the first, then I can't wait to see what happens in the third.
Absolutely. Bradley fires it. Murphy.
Peter Schaefer.
Bradley took the puck. Rogers runs over Thornton. Ricci. Joseph made the huge save. Rogers takes the puck.
And now, for those of you whose favorite part of the game is the first intermission, let the fun begin.
Welcome back to the second period of the game.
Guess which team was high-fiving each other during intermission?
Schaefer. He scores!
Top shelf where you hide the cookies from the kids. Sorry, kids.
San Jose has put their other goalie out on the ice.
They're going to play two at once?
I think the first guy's coming off the ice, Don.
Oh yeah, I knew that. But just think of the possibilities.
Thornton.
And by number
Kuba gets checked.
I've seen better.
Bradley with the puck. Lume has it. Quick shot from the left. Blocked. Chelios. Sloan shoots the puck. Missed the net. Chelios shoots it from the left. Toscala stoned him cold. Bradley. The ref indicates a delayed call. Chelios will go to the box for cross-checking.
Hockey fans, do you have any idea how hard it is to find a gazillion ways of saying he got a penalty without being repetitive? Do ya?
Damphus scores! That's a power play goal!
For those of you who like to feast on quality hockey, this guy just served up a smorgasbord. I can't wait for dessert.
San Jose gets back to scoring.
Great plays like that will iron out a team's wrinkles pretty fast.
Lemieux.
number 7, Brad Stewart.
Schaefer shoots it! Saved by Toscala! Graves. Nolan shoots quickly! Lemieux gets the puck. The Sharks come in offside. Nolan. Graves! Oh, he missed! Nolan shoots! Yager jumps on the loose puck. Damphus gets the pass from Toscala. Graves. It's one-on-one. Rifles a shot. Saved by Joseph.
Not in my net. Not just then, anyway.
Lemieux knocked him off the puck.
That hit just knocked over the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Murphy ripped hard. Chelios with it now. Lemieux. Westland now has it. Kuba gets a hold of it. Chelios fires! Saved by Toscala! Ricci blasts one! Williams. Sloan, rink-wide pass. Shoots the puck from the right. Toscala stoned him. Damphus. Shoots hard. Iserman stops the shot. Hammered! Solani shot the puck from the left. Saved by Toscala. Saved by Toscala. Thornton. Pumped off the puck.
Yes, sirree, Bob, the big hit. Always a favorite.
San Jose jumps on it. Solani. Schaefer. Lemieux grabs it.
I just know the third period will be chock full of excitement. The intermission? Well, less so. Jim, you'll notice I took the liberty of putting some fake tattoos on my arms. Like them?
Oh, very nice. Particularly the DT Rules JH Drools one. Yager picks up the puck from Joseph. Lemieux shoots it. San Jose corrals it. Damphus is in serious pain.
I think it's something to do with his neck. It looks very serious.
The pain appears to be too much. They're taking him out of this game for now.
Maybe for the night.
We'll wait for an update on the extent of his injuries. Stewart takes control of the puck.
This is the part of the game where you start to understand why none of the uniforms are pink.
One guy just seemed to be standing there, watching.
Yeah, so we got to see a little of who's the boss.
San Jose penalty.
Bradley.
Adam Graves, a 5-minute.
He knocked him off the puck.
Stopped him like an autumn grape.
Number 89, a 5-minute major for fighting.
Schaefer to Scala. Great save.
He roams around the crease with the greatest of ease.
Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. That'll make you think twice about buying front row tickets.
Those fans will be picking glass out of their hair for a week.
To Scala. Denied him. Chelios with the puck. Iserman grabbed it. That's offside. Thornton. He gobbles it up. Fired hard from the right. Chelios scooped it up. Westland took it. Breakaway. Shot. Ricci. Sloan takes possession of the puck. He gets worked over. Bradley jumps on the loose puck. Williams. Jumped on by Detroit. Schaefer. Yager corrals it. San Jose takes over. Toscala hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to Detroit. Gets the shot off. Rathje gets in the way. Thornton. San Jose beats out the icing call. Blocked. Lemieux. Yager controls the puck. Lemieux shoots. Saved by Toscala. Yager, missed shot. Toscala made the save. Toscala closes the door.
And you can add one more save to his personal stat sheet.
Toscala hangs on for the whistle. Sundstrom. Solani scoops up the loose puck. Kuba grabbed it. Chelios grabbed it. Nieuwendyk grabbed it. Detroit takes possession. Blocked. Harvey with the puck. Fires! Joseph made the brilliant save. Delayed penalty coming up for Detroit. Kuba gets called for cross-checking.
He just needed a little alone time, Jim. And he'll get it in the box.
San Jose has a chance to open up its offense.
A one-man advantage like this can be a huge factor.
Yager has the puck. Lemieux now with it. Nolan gets thrashed. Toscala is skating to the bench.
The extra guy may help, but 2 goals is a large assignment. Ah, who am I kidding? They'll never do it. Never!
Graves has a breakaway.
You know, if you're gonna shoot wide, you may as well not shoot at all.
Rathje fires it. He misses by a mile. Harvey rocks Yager. Harvey takes control of the puck. He gets thrashed.
And you thought crashing thunder only happened outdoors.
Lume runs over Kuba. Harvey. Ricci gets laid out. Belanger scoops up the loose puck. Kuba. Nieuwendyk. He holds up Sundstrom. Belanger. It's 1-on-1. McCarthy knocks the puck loose.
That was the vanilla ice cream of hits. It wasn't anything special, but everyone still seemed to enjoy it.
Westland shoots it. Empty netter. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. It's all over but the crying. Detroit does the unthinkable and wins, Don.
This team played a physical game out there, and flexing their muscles seemed to work.
Looks good on the beach, looks good on the ice.